helicopters have a role to play in medical services.
तो फोर्थ हेली इंडिया समिट 2022 में आप देख रहे थे एविएशन मिनिस्टर ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया संबोधन कर रहे थे। इस मौके पर उन्होंने चॉपर हेलीकॉप्टर कनेक्टिविटी पर जोर दिया। फिलहाल आगे बढ़ लेते हैं। लद्दाख के LG RK माथुर ने इंडियन हिमालयन यूथ समिट के पहले सेशन में शिरकत की। इस समिट का आयोजन इंटीग्रेटेड माउंटेन इनिशिएटिव एंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फोरम ने लद्दाख एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के सहयोग से किया। सस्टेनेबल माउंटेन डेवलपमेंट समिट के अंतर्गत सिंधु संस्कृति केंद्र में इसका आयोजन किया गया। हिल काउंसिल लेह के चेयरमैन एडवोकेट ताशी ग्यालसन समिट समेत मौजूद रहे। 11 माउंटेन यूटीज और स्टेट्स के 24 पार्टिसिपेंट्स इस समिट का हिस्सा हैं। LG ने क्वालिटी टूरिज्म पर जोर देते हुए और तवज्जो देने और खित्ते के तमाम हिस्सों में टूरिस्ट एक्टिविटीज पर जोर दिया। LG माथुर ने गाड़ियां लॉन्च की और 3 सरकारी दफातर के अहलकारों को चाबियां भी सौंपी।
To welcome. Where are the parks, where are the private lands, where are the hotels, and so on and so forth. Where is the army? Where is ITBP? Now, our objective and intention is to make sure that every single interest of the local population is fully taken care of. Therefore, this entire exercise that we are doing here of rationalization of the wildlife boundaries, this is very, very clearly, very emphatically meant to benefit the people of Ladakh and in no way to hurt or anybody. You have been hurt in the past, incidentally. There have been breakages of houses near the Pangong area. There have been many restrictions in certain areas and so on. Our intention is to follow the law of land and yet make sure, and the law itself provides it, that our local population actually generates income out of the fact of a sanctuary rather than losing in any way. Now, how you can benefit? Ladakh has not really developed tourism. We can definitely develop wildlife tourism. We can definitely develop, as we are attempting, a night sky sanctuary.
A lot of issues are there. So we thought, some constructive solution we have to find out. Aggressively, I think we have to find a solution to control everything, be it change in the policy, government policy, or in the day-to-day lifestyles of the people, So that is why we thought, this kind of conference can be a very meaningful one, especially focusing on the youth, because youth are, you are tomorrow's leader, and you can make lot of difference. You can actually push, to change in the policy, to change in the behavior of the people. So that is why we thought, youth summit is equally important. And this kind of summit will also give a platform to our youth to interact and to learn more about other mountain states.